Woohoo! Pirate fam. Yes, that's right. I'm affectionately calling you Pirate fam from now on. So I'm back at Daniel Boone Park, and I'm going to try to do some magnet fishing today. It's Saturday, so this isn't my usual fishing day, but I got a quick break and I was able to come out and hopefully do something. Mostly because the governor is going to give a speech, a press conference tonight at 7. And we're kind of thinking that he's going to be like statewide quarantine lockdown because of the COVID-19 coronavirus. So I'm probably not going to be able to go out Tuesday and make a video. And I don't know the next time I will be able to make a video. So I just figured I'd come down here and see if we can't find anything. This is the same spot 3 weeks ago. We found part of that Mauser, the receiver for that Mauser. So that was pretty cool. So there might be some more parts to it in there. Just some other cool things. We found locks, found all kind of stuff in there. So we're gonna get down here and see what we can't do. But real quick, if you like what I'm doing, you like the channel, you want to support me, you should click that subscribe button, click that bell notification so you know every time that I upload a video. And if you want to click that like button, that also really helps me out. And if you want to leave a comment, I love talking with you guys. Also down in the description, I got like links. Full disclosure, I made some Amazon affiliate links. So if there's anything, any magnets that I use or anything that you want to check out, maybe want to purchase, you can use my link if you want, and maybe I will get some kind of a kickback from that. But full disclosure, those are affiliate links. So with that out of the way, I'm going to strap the GoPro on and we're going to get down here and see if we can't find anything real quick before the sun goes down. So let's get to it. All right, guys. First throw. Let's do it. Let's get it. Ooh, this current is scooting today. Oh. Oh, there's something there. Oh, it let go. Ooh, it almost got stuck. There's something on there, though. Bit of metal. Oh, I got something. Oh, yeah, we got something. Ooh, we got a wrench, guys. We got a wrench, and that has been in there for a hot minute. I'll put this in an electrolysis, and I'll see, you know, how good we can clean this up. But this has been there for a while, so this will be a good test piece. Oh, see, we got something. We got something. We got a piece of it. What is that? What? Oh, guys. Guys. This is as close as to finding a gun as I have. And I mean, these are still in there. So this is a single stack magazine. It's got a flat nose, so I can't see for sure, but this should be 40 caliber shells. So I'm going to continue to throw right out there, because if the magazine's out there, the gun's probably out there. But look at that, guys. Woo! That's pretty awesome. This is the closest thing to a whole gun as I've found. And it still has rounds in it. I mean, it's fairly heavy. This might be fully loaded almost. but those should be 40 caliber shells. That's crazy. Let's see if we can't find the gun. Oh, come on, give me the gun. I would be stoked. Come on. There's something on there. Yep. Wow. Okay, we got a bolt. And then we got something that just looks like a rock or just a piece of metal. Just like don't know what that is. Okay, we moved down to the one side a little bit, because I've been completely ignoring this side. Oh. Something on there. Oh. We got a nail. And as I always say, it's magnet fishing now. Ooh, what is that? Okay, it's like a lock and chain. It's just been rusted together. But look at that, sweet lock and chain. That's pretty cool. Okay, well now we gotta get it unstuck from this, because I threw it and it got stuck in my watch, and then it... Ah! Whew. Okay, that was a sketchy moment. Also almost ripped my arm off. Let's not do that again. Oh, what is that? Was that a knife? Oh, dude, it's a knife. Woohoo! Winchester. Holy cow. That's awesome. Look at that bad boy. And it's stainless steel. So we'll be able to clean this up and maybe sharpen it and use it. That's awesome. Guys, it's cold, my nose is running, and I'm running out of daylight, so I'm gonna go home. But definitely found some cool stuff today. Definitely my top favorites were the knife and the gun magazine. That's awesome, and it's fully loaded. I'm trying to shake out the rounds so maybe I can put the magazine through the electrolysis too and see what kind of gun it came from. So I'll let you know about that. But thanks for hanging out with me, guys. It was a pretty fun day. It's good to get outside during all this lockdown quarantine business and just get some fresh air. So I don't know if we'll have a video after this one. I will let you know what happens tonight. He's gonna get ready to do that press conference here soon, and I don't know, might be on lockdown. So just bear with me, guys. It's not my doing, it's the virus. So I hope you guys are having a great day, great evening, and much love to all the pirate fam, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.